Welcome to YK Prop Expos. Today we are throwing spotlight at a new project by Shobha Neopolis,
whose concept and the overall idea is something that only very few cities in the world get. We're exploring the extravagant Greek-style homes which make your everyday feel nothing less than a vacation. So without any further ado, here's the tour. Nestled in Panathur, Gunjur Road, Shobha Neopolis is a fresh new project with a Greek theme. We always cover location highlights first here at YK Expos because only that governs what the first and last 3 hours of your workday look like.
This project is close to proposed Kadubisanai metro station, Whitefield, ITPL and Barthur Road,
offering over 1800 homes across 19 towering buildings, each soaring up to 20 floors, with prices starting from 95 lakhs to 3.70 CR. This gets you the option to escape traffic via large lane roads, commute to work quicker, and not take the family out for entertainment with every celebration party spot you want in your vicinity. For your safety and peace of mind, there are reputable hospitals close by like Sakra Hospital, Manipal, and Rainbow Children's Hospital, which guarantees easy and quick health support in the time of need. Furthermore, there are several significant tech parks nearby, including JP Morgan Chase & Company, Flipkart, Oracle, Embassy Tech Village, and Wells Fargo, which circles us back to having all your workplaces in the vicinity of your home, so that you spend more time with your family rather than in the commute. So your location is sorted, but before entering the home itself, let's dive right into the property and examine the amenities provided by Shobha. Shobha Neopolis offers everything from opulent clubhouses, verdant gardens, to expansive open areas and kid-friendly play facilities, and of course a swimming pool. We will come to these amenities in detail again in the video, but before that, let's take you inside your Greek home. Now, as we enter the apartment, I want to highlight that the developer has paid close attention to using timeless materials that increase the longevity of the product and aesthetics itself.
So you like your holidays in Greece? Now, buying a home here will feel like a holiday. I'll tell you why. This entire project is done in a Greek architecture. I will show you some of these key points that will make your mind about buying a home here.
Here, you'll find a variety of possibilities where your preference is for roomy 4 BHK or a comfortable 1 BHK. Sizes of apartments range from 660 square feet to 2400 square feet, and they're designed with all the Vastu principles in mind, with focus on filling the rooms with natural light. Now coming to the specialization, Greek-inspired homes, your apartment is filled with arches that have been directly taken from the Greek style of architecture. The living room connects directly into the dining area, which creates a great amount of space for movement even when you have guests coming in, with a massive designer chandelier that keeps the vibe of the room warm.
So I'm going to take you to this amazing balcony deck that you get. You saw there is a master bedroom attached balcony. This one is your main balcony. What the builder will be providing you here in this area is wooden finish tiles. You also get a small home garden space if you are fond of, growing your own vegetables and somebody who likes eating organic like my boyfriend does, you can grow them all here.
Almost every room comes with a balcony.
On your left, here as you enter, is a children's bedroom. Now as you see, they've done a very beautiful interior here. Of course, you can choose your own style and customize it to the way you want. The size of this bedroom is 11 by 13. This has an attached washroom.
Presents you with a very elegant space to unwind and relax.
You enter in the lobby area and then you enter to your master bedroom, which is the size of 11.4 by 13. You have an attached balcony. Also, to my right, you see this is a walk-in closet. You have beautiful area. It's a 13 feet wide walk-in closet area.
The attached bathroom also comes with an elegant bathtub and stylish decor to create an uncommon experience. With a spacious balcony that offers breathtaking views of the campus and city itself, it's perfect spot to enjoy and recharge in the evenings.
Now here comes a full-size home office space. You can use it as your family room. A library can be created out of this room. There's so much you can do in this. Has privacy, has a dedicated washroom right here. This is your Juliet balcony with a mosquito mesh.
You have tons of storage space, which makes any home cook's life a breeze. You can cook whatever you want and have ample space for storing your supplies. It's bright, inviting, and perfect for everything from cooking up a feast to throwing a fabulous party.
If given a chance, I would personally love to cook here. And trust me when I say I am no good chef.
Coming on to the second bedroom, just as bright and spacious as the master bedroom. Here as well, you will find warm tones and elements from the Greek style of design that show the sheer attention to detail. The built-in wardrobe and a stylish bathroom nearby, it's a fantastic space for creating memories with those you care about. The prime purpose of this property is to make your everyday feel like a stroll in the streets of Greece. There are numerous lavish amenities available at the location, including a grand entrance plaza that welcomes you every day, a whole Santorini village format that takes you to the streets of Greece, a majestic clubhouse called Club Athenios, a party hall, a barbecue and picnic hall, cascading water, aqua park with water slides for your kids, a swimming pool, a kids play area, and round-the-clock security so that you and your family are safe. Double basement parking. The total spread of this project is 25 acres and is sure to become a landmark in Bangalore's real estate sphere and cultural in general. For whom it's suited? For families and professionals that appreciate European architecture and aesthetics and are looking for extravagant life in Bangalore. Not some days a year, but 24/7, 365 days a week. Then, Shobha Neopolis is the deal for you. Its strategic location in Panathur provides quick access to important tech clusters, academic institutions, and medical services. For those seeking a combination of luxury, convenience, and contemporary facilities, its spacious rooms and luxury-led, intricately thought amenities make it perfect choice for families, business leaders, and IT professionals. Bring your family along to take a look at the home if it's caught your attention. For further information or to schedule a site visit, give us a call at 99833 00044.
That's it for today. My name is Yukti, and if you like this video and you want to see more such videos, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing you more content, more property videos. Adios for now.